What are the key differences in the U.S.-Iran conflict between March and July as fighting escalates again? The situation is rapidly changing, affecting global security and energy markets. You need to understand what's different now to grasp the stakes. Between March and July 2026, the conflict between the U.S. and Iran has escalated notably. In March, tensions were marked by targeted cyberattacks and proxy skirmishes. By July, the fighting has intensified with multiple drone strikes launched by Iranian-backed militias targeting U.S. bases in Iraq, and retaliatory missile strikes from the U.S. hitting Iranian positions. This escalation indicates a shift from covert operations to more direct military actions, increasing risks of broader regional warfare. A key difference since March is the rising involvement of Iranian-backed militias across Iraq and Syria. These groups have carried out more frequent and coordinated attacks on U.S. forces, exploiting regional instability. This increased militia activity complicates U.S. military operations, making it harder to identify direct Iranian government involvement and raising the risk of unintended escalations. Between March and July, diplomatic talks aimed at easing U.S.-Iran tensions have largely stalled. Attempts to revive the Iran nuclear deal have faltered due to hardline positions on both sides. As fighting escalates, trust erodes, reducing chances for diplomatic breakthroughs and increasing the likelihood of continued conflict. The U.S.-Iran conflict escalation impacts global energy markets. Iran's strategic position near the Strait of Hormuz, a key oil shipping lane, raises fears of disruptions. Since March, heightened attacks and threats have caused spikes in oil prices, affecting economies worldwide. This instability has prompted energy companies and governments to brace for supply chain challenges. Looking ahead, analysts caution that without renewed diplomatic efforts or increased international pressure, the U.S.-Iran conflict risks spiraling further. Both sides appear entrenched, with Iran leveraging proxies and the U.S. maintaining military readiness. The coming months are critical for avoiding a wider regional war that could destabilize the Middle East. What this means for you is that the escalating U.S.-Iran conflict could disrupt global energy prices and heighten security risks worldwide. Staying informed helps you understand how these geopolitical tensions might impact everyday costs and international stability. Make sure to subscribe for the latest updates on this developing story.